Good morning to all. I am Geeta, Assistant Professor from ECE Department, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. So I am going to handle the subject on medical electronics. So now I am going to teach the topic on electrocardiography, that is ECG. So on completion, the students will be able to define ECG, draw the diagram for cross section of the interior of the heart. What are the types of lead configuration? So first, what is meant by ECG? So the ECG will be deals with the study of electrical activity of heart muscles. Electrocardiogram is the recorded ECG wave. So the ECG wave, this will be also called as EKG. So the EKG is electrocardiogram. So what are the origins of the cardiac action potential? So basically the heart will be divided into four chambers. So the top two chambers are atria and lower two chambers are ventricles. The complete waveform is called electrocardiogram. So this will be indicate the important diagnostic features. So if PR interval is more than 0.22 seconds, so the AV, that is first heart attack, will be occurs. When QRS duration is more than 0.1 seconds, the Buddle block, that is severe heart attack, will be occurs. So next we are going to see the cross section of the interior of the heart. So this is the cross section of the interior of the heart. So the different blocks will be available in the heart. So second one is lead configuration. The electrode system or bipolar limb leads, or this will be also called as standard leads. Then augment unipolar limb leads. Then just leads or precordial leads. Then Frank lead system or corrected orthogonal leads. So these are the lead configuration will be available in the electrocardiogram. So next is the bipolar limb leads. So in these bipolar limb leads, so the leads will be categorized into first stage and second stage and third category. So the standard leads, the potentials are tapped from four locations of our body. They are right arm, left arm and right leg and left leg. So the right leg electrode is acting as ground reference electrodes. So in this figure, the standard bipolar limb lead position and corresponding wave patterns will be shown. So the lead 1 position, so this will be give the voltage of 4. The voltage drop from left arm to right arm. Then lead 2 position, this will be give the voltage to 7th position. So the voltage drop from left leg to right leg. The lead 3 position, this will be gives the voltage 8. Voltage drop from left leg to left arm. So this is the Inithoven triangle. So in this we are having the 3 leads and left leg, right leg, then left arm, right arm. So these are the things will be available. So the closed path right arm to left arm to left leg and back to right arm is called the Inithoven triangle. So along the sides of the triangle, 3 projection of ECG vector are measured. So next is the augmented unipolar limb leads. So in this augmented unipolar limb leads, the electrocardiogram is recorded between the X exploratory electrodes and the central terminals. So next we have to see the augmented unipolar limb leads. So this is the diagram. So we have to take the three figures. So in that we are having right arm and left leg. So this will be connected to the particular op-amp. So next we are going to see the operation. So in that thing, mainly the leads are the connected to the particular system. Then unipolar just leads. So in this unipolar just leads, the exploratory electrodes is obtained from one of the just electrodes. So the just electrodes are placed to 6 different positions on just close to the heart. So we have to connect the three equal large resistance to left arm, right arm and left leg. A reference electrode or central terminal is obtained. So this lead system is known as Wilson system. So in this electrocardiogram, so recorded from these 12 leads section such that 3 standard unipolar leads, 3 augmented unipolar leads and 6 just leads will be recorded in that unipolar just leads. The ECG potential is measured with color coded lead for AC reference. So next we have to see the unipolar just leads. So this is the diagram for the unipolar just leads. There is only one human we have to take. This will be connected to the operational amplifier. Then based on the just, so the positive voltage will be connected to the amplifier. Then the right leg and the left leg. So these are the connected to the one resistor. So this resistor point will be called as the Wilson central terminal. Then Frank lead system. So in this Frank lead system, this will be used in a vector cardiography. So here one can get the information from 12 leads. So this straight heart is studied three-dimensionally. So based on the electrocardiography, so the question will be based on when analyzing an ECG strip, the nurse ascertains which of the following measurement are outside of normal limits. Thank you.